Welcome back once again to another pizza build series. So if you're not familiar, what goes on here is we're not making the dough or the sauce. We've already done that. We're just going to build pizzas. Today we're going to make this delicious zucchini and pesto. Really, really beautiful, this one. So if you want to find out about how to make the dough or the sauce, links are below and the videos are going to pop up at the end. Let's get our pizza dough together. Okay, so you saw me get the dough together there. Now, if you're going to use the recipe that I have, you're going to get two 12-inch sized pizzas like this. We're going to add some sauce. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. I always find to be great. Now, this is a no-cook or non-cook pizza sauce. Again, you can find this recipe in the text below and the video is going to pop up at the end. Now, I don't like too much sauce on my pizza. Some people go crazy. I think that's a perfect amount. 1 second. Let me grab some cheese here. Let's get some mozzarella on there. I'm using the sliced type mozzarella. You can use grated if you want. This came in a block, you know, like a big block, and we slice it away. Perfect amount. Now we're going to add our zucchini. Now what I've done with these zucchini, as you can see, I've just stuck them under like a George Foreman type grill, you know, press grill, for a few minutes. If you want, you can just get them. If you haven't got a grill, you can just get them, slice them in a frying pan, a little bit of oil, they'll be fantastic. Next up, we're going to go for a little bit of Parmesan cheese. That's fantastic there. We're then going to go with a little bit of pesto, green pesto, just sort of dotted in there, here and there. Now I've got a recipe for pesto, I'll leave it at the end. I remember making it some time ago. Homemade is fantastic. Little bit of oregano. And then that's going to go into my oven. Preheated, get your oven on really hot, maximum heat. That's going to go in for about 6 minutes. I'll see you when it comes out. Okay, there you go. That was in my oven for 6 minutes. That looks fabulous to me. Really going to enjoy that one. So if you want to know how to make the dough and the sauce, those videos will be popping up about now. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.